I got this from H&M for 99 rupees, you girls. Okay, I have shown you the floor lamp, the bed frame, the couch in the last video, right? I am back with another video today. This will be the continuation of the part 1 where I'm setting up my rental space. I try to upload 2 videos every week, but 1 video is definitely short. So do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So today's video, I have 7 more items that I got for this house. I want to show you girls, which I'm really excited. I keep telling this in every video that I'm excited, but I'm truly excited to show you girls. It's so hot. I can't switch on the cooler because it's gonna give that wind sound. I can't find my mic noise cancellation. So we got to deal with this. I'm loving this color actually. I always wanted to add some green. I experimented with real plants, but I completely failed with it. Only option that I got is to get an artificial plant. Believe me when I say this, I literally have gone through every website and stores that is possibly reachable for me to find out some budget-friendly artificial plants, but I found nowhere. The one that you're seeing right behind is the plant that I actually got. I think that is around 5 feet, and a 5 feet artificial plant does not come under 5,000 rupees. I was contemplating for so very long if I should get one or not, but I finally, guess what? I finally manifested this beautiful plant in Ikea discounted section, girls. If you watched my last video, you exactly know how much I love the Ikea's discounted section. I would remind again in this video to you all, if in case you visit an Ikea store, definitely stroll around this discounted section. You will not regret. I've gone through Amazon, Myntra, Home Center, Hometown, and whatever local stores that I can actually go to in Bangalore to just search a nice artificial plant, but for lesser price. But I failed, so I finally went to Ikea and I got this for 2,500. The original price is somewhere around 5,000, but I'm so very happy that I got this one. What I thought was, I have a Christmas tree right behind this camera, you can't see. You might see it in other videos. I just settled for the same, but then when I saw this, I was like, yeah. And if this was one piece standing there, I had to get it. I think it's doing a pretty good job just standing there right now. I can use it elsewhere, wherever I want to, as a backdrop or just as a decor in the house, which is nice. Like I said, I cannot handle real plants. I don't think I'm still in that age to take care of a plant. So artificial plant it is. Moving on to the next item, I got these 2 candles from Ikea while I was getting this plant, which is amazing. I love it. There is not much explanation. Regular candle, it is not scented, it is just in red color. It is really huge. I have it right here. I haven't lighted it actually. Look at the color. Oh my god, I love it. It's actually not red, it's kind of cherry red. This can be a nice thumbnail, right? But do you think anybody will click me holding this candle? Okay, the next item that I'm going to show is not a decor piece. It's an essential for me right now. I got myself a tower cooler. Yeah, how fancy, right? This desert coolers in my house, I did not want to get it here because A, it is huge. B, it makes a lot of sound. I was just going through Amazon one night, while I was like literally heating up my entire body living in this house. It is extremely hot. The owner is not allowing me to drill the wall for the AC pump. So I had to settle with a cooler as of now. I love the house, I love the area. I also love the owner. They're really good. Just that I understand their concern about drilling a wall, which is fine for now. Anyways, this is temporary home for me, so I don't want to, pressurize them. So for my requirement, I think this cooler is pretty good as of now. It comes with 4 ice bottles, which goes inside the tank where you can fill water. Also, only 4 liters of water is enough to, which is amazing, because the desert cooler that I have in my house, literally, you need to fill 4 buckets. That's a hassle again. But is it really cooling my entire room? Definitely no. But if I sit right in front of it, it cools my body. I think it's doing its job fine. But looking wise, I definitely like the cooler. It looks really neat and cool. Also the color is white and no lot of stickers and branding on it, which is amazing. Actually, the brand of this cooler is High Tech. I had not heard about this at all before. So I got this as a recommendation on Amazon. I think it's a new product or 2 to 3 years old launch, which is nice under the budget. Yeah. So 4th item that I got is a very essential right now for me. It's a wooden divider that I got from Amazon, which is so pretty. Yeah. I had seen this divider on so many influencers, basically keeping that as a backdrop for their videos. But I got this one not for that case. I got this one to divide my room. This house kitchen do not have a door. It's not an open kitchen, but now that it doesn't have a door, I can say that it's an open kitchen, but not in that literal sense. I hope you understand. I mean, you can see that in my home tour. I mean, you will get to know when you see the home tour. So I wanted this, basically wanted to secure my kitchen in the night. I have a pet at home, and he is gracefully sitting on my kitchen counter, and he'll start scratching these couches. So I got this divider, which is also nice. I think I can use this as a backdrop also in my videos in future if I need to, but for now it is for safety. I will leave the links of all the products that I'm showing today in the description box and comment section, so if in case you're interested, you can definitely check that out. The fifth item that I got is a very pretty, lovely table lamp from Ikea. Oh my god, again, I got this from discounted section. I am so happy with this buy because it looks divine in the night when I light it up. You can see it right here. It is so damn beautiful. It is white in color. It kind of gives that cloudy look, and it's so nice. I have already mentioned this in my previous video. I will mention it again. Girls, adding lights to different textures light to your house is the easiest way that you can elevate the space. I mean, I just switch on these lights post 7 o'clock and I go in Zen mode. It is so peaceful, and there's something about warm lights just calms your entire system, I feel. And also because of this, I sleep really early. Also, Ikea has the same lamp as a floor lamp too, which is so pretty. I think they also have the hanging lamp, ceiling lamp as well, I'm not sure, but floor lamp definitely. If you girls are interested, it's in Ikea. I am literally dripping behind, and I think my hair is starting to twist. Very few more items. Let's go. So the sixth item is very basic but damn useful thing. So by now you would have understood that I'm obsessed with white, and there's so many things that I've bought. So when I saw this tool in Ikea in the discounted section, I had to. So I got this tool for just 350 rupees, but I'll tell you what are the uses. I'm using this as a ladder. I'm also using this as chair for my dining table. Sometimes it becomes stool for my vase, also become a stool for my water dispenser. So I think amazing. I currently just got one, but I would definitely like to add one. Also, these items are so very useful. Rental space, you guys, you have no idea. Ikea does some amazing products. It's not a sponsor video, but I love Ikea products. So when I go back to my own house, I can use this in my outdoor space. I've just thought about it and got it. So I just thought like that and got it. Now, the last thing that I got is again something in white color. It was an impulse buy. I saw this on a discount section again. It is just a clock. It is so very pretty. Just look at it. I think it is going with the vibe of this house. Rental friendly, definitely, because I can't drill anything on the wall. I am happy. The owner is happy. By battery, it is cute, and the concrete is saved. And I hope this was a very quick video, and I hope didn't bore you girls with too much of information about it. That is it for today, you girls. I love doing decorating homes, creating cozy corners, painting, hosting friends and families, step cooking, and now filming. I might come up with a part 3 again because I have some more items which is kitchen dedicated, which I want to show you girls, but I'll think about it. Next will be a clothing haul video. It's due from a long time. I have some amazing stuff from Myntra and show off. So can you believe I got few nightwear from DMart, and I'm in love with it because it's all cotton. I will show you girls in the next video very soon. So stay tuned to this channel. Okay, definitely subscribe to this channel and like the video. Lastly, thank you so much for loving all my previous video. I love you girls so very, and I will see you soon. Until then, take care. Ta-da. Bye. I am so bad at hairstyles right now. I don't know what I've done. I've just pinned something up here and I've just skipped this. I think this was my oldest hairstyle, but I think it's going really well. I love the color of this top. It's pretty, right? I love it.